Want this? Let me make a tutorial how to make costume ringtone. First, you need these two apps, Ringtone Maker and GarageBand. Then go in Ringtone Maker. Press here. Then press there. What mine ringtone is.
But you've been so out of.
You can also chop something that you don't like. I'm chopping this. Let's speed up. Then take this ringtone, the first one if you have chop it. Then press it. Wait for it to load. Then hold it down. Scroll. Press rename and name your ringtone like you want. Then hold it again. Press share. Then press ringtone. If it shows you this, just press continue. Press export. Then press OK. You can choose that use it or OK. Now go in clock. Now you have it.
But you've been so out of touch. That about you way too much. Overall, I'm thinking us.
BYE.